Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Zhang from the Innovation and Creation Center of Wuhan University. I'm mainly in charge of managing and maintaining our lab equipment. The Innovation and Creation Center is a university-level research platform where students take part in competitions and innovation projects. In our daily work, we often face problems like difficult equipment access and too many item types to manage. That really makes our management work challenging. So we urgently needed an efficient, accurate, and smart solution. After carefully studying their needs, we went on-site for inspection and finally completed the outdoor installation of the Modula Next. This machine has great sealing performance, keeping everything inside safe and protected. It takes up less than 10 square meters but offers nearly 70 square meters of storage space. Since our space is limited, we researched a lot of products online and finally chose Modula's automated storage system. It perfectly solves our space shortage issue, and it allows easy secondary development to improve our equipment management. Its compact footprint and large capacity really addressed our biggest pain points. This Modula Next truly achieves automated material management while keeping everything safe and secure. Before, we had to go inside the shelves and search for items manually. Now we just apply through our phone, and once approved, the system pinpoints the exact item location. The Modula Next is super easy to use. When you click Pick Item, it automatically brings the item to the access point, then opens the shutter and shows only the correct compartment, so you can take what you need quickly and accurately. With this machine, our workflow has shifted from man to goods to man. Teaching and research materials can now be precisely located and accessed in seconds. It saves us the trouble of searching and logging, and prevents loss or mix-ups. It's not just a smart VLM, it's like a warehouse guardian watching over our valuable materials.